Welcome to our insider trading YouTube channel, where we're the professor of the stock market world. Just like the characters in the popular show Money Heist, we are a group of financial experts who are passionate about outsmarting the market and making strategic investments. We are a team of financial experts with years of experience in the stock market. Our mission is to provide valuable and actionable insights that will help our viewers navigate the ever-changing world of stock investing. We believe that with the right plan and the right team, anyone can be successful in the stock market. On our channel, you will find a wide variety of content, including market analysis, stock picks, and investment strategies. We also provide in-depth analysis of specific stocks and sectors, as well as the impact of economic events on the market. We will be your Tokyo in the stock market, guiding you through the ups and downs. Our team is made up of financial professionals with a wealth of experience in the stock market. We have a deep understanding of market trends, and we use data and statistics to back up our analysis. We also provide expert opinions from financial analysts, economists, and other industry experts, to ensure that our viewers are always one step ahead of the competition. We believe that the stock market is accessible to everyone, and our goal is to make it easy for our viewers to understand and navigate. We strive to provide clear and concise explanations, without using jargon or technical terms, so that everyone can be a part of the heist. We update our channel regularly, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay informed about the latest market trends and investment opportunities. Thank you for choosing our Insider Trading YouTube channel as your go-to source for stock market insights. We hope you find our content valuable, and we look forward to helping you achieve your investment goals. Remember, you either rob or you get robbed in the stock market, so join us and let's make some money. You don't get to be a legend by being normal. The Professor. I'm not the one who's afraid, you are. You're the ones who are afraid of losing everything you have. That's why you're the weak ones. Tokyo. There's always an escape plan. Always? Berlin. Stock market is like a war zone, well, be prepared. Insider trading. Subscribe, like and share on YouTube.